Hey folks, after a cold start today, temperatures warmed up nicely this afternoon. Western part of the valley topping 70, but didn't last long. We're cooling back off again. 64 in Westlaco, already down to 56, 57 Port Isabel, the island, Brownsville. Everybody else a little warmer than that. And Rio still holding in at 71 at this hour. Overnight tonight, we drop back into the low 40s again, upper 30s. Raymondville, Edinburgh into Rio Grande City and out into the ranch country. Most of the area, though, should bottom out in the low to mid 40s. And then tomorrow, I think we see a lot of sunshine. Starts cold in the morning, but look at these afternoon highs. 80 plus along I-69C and westward, and most of the rest of the valley in the 70s, including the island, which should climb back to around 73. Our average high this time of year is 73. Tomorrow will be warmer than that, and even warmer than that for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Records will not be in jeopardy. Satellite and radar today shows those clouds were here early this morning, moving out quickly, and we ended up with bright sunshine across the region for most of the day. And Future Track says will continue to be clear tonight with chilly conditions staying with us. Tomorrow, I think we're partly to mostly sunny most of the day, and with that, temperatures are able to warm back into the upper 70s by middle of the afternoon. So about a 10-degree jump from today into tomorrow. Still clear skies tomorrow night, but by Saturday, clouds begin to build back in. Could even be a sprinkle or two around on Saturday. And once that chance for isolated showers shows up in the forecast, and again, we're talking isolated, it's going to stay in the forecast. We're only looking at 10 to 20% over the next few days. Nothing tomorrow, blue skies tomorrow, but Saturday, Sunday, again, 10 to 20% all the way through the weekend and through most of next week at this point. Looks like there's going to be a shot every day. Rest of South Texas, 56 in San Antonio, 64 in Laredo. Push it back. 44 in Dallas, 48 in Lubbock. San Angelo checks in at 51. All that snow yesterday has moved out of the state. Big upper air lows over here. Remember yesterday it was back here. Well, now it's moved eastward, so now we've got a northwest flow in the upper atmosphere, and that's a very dry flow. Trying to find an ocean over here somewhere to get water from, and there's not one, so everything kind of dries out as it downslopes down towards South Texas. That system will push away tomorrow, but we'll still have a northwest flow aloft, so a beautiful dry day. By the time we get to Saturday, the flow starts to work its way back around. That's 1 o'clock in the morning. There's noon, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, more of a westerly flow aloft, and eventually by late Saturday and into Sunday, that flows back out of the southwest again up high in the sky. That brings moisture back in up high in the sky. At the same time, we got a southeast wind here at the ground. That brings moisture as well, so we have more cloud cover and probably a few sprinkles around the area Saturday, Sunday, even into the early part of next week. Most of these fronts right now forecast to stay north of us until late in the week. But at this point, we're watching. The model's not agreeing on that, but right now we're holding the fronts north until about Thursday. At the coast, winds out of the south 10 to 20 knots. There's a low tide in the morning, 7:02, a high at 4:43 in the afternoon. Water temperature still in the 60s. So for tonight, clear, another chilly night, 43 west-northwesterly winds. Then tomorrow, 79 for your high, sunny skies, cold start, but a very nice afternoon. Low humidity, light breeze. Should be a pretty nice day. Saturday and Sunday, we bring the clouds back in and introduce a chance for a couple of sprinkles, not much more than that. Right now, we're keeping temperatures warm next week, but those are all subject to change. Not a lot of confidence just yet in how warm it'll be. Some of the models say we cool off Monday and stay cool all week, but right now, that's the outlier. We'll keep an eye on all of that and update your forecast coming up just a little bit later on.